Good morning, students. We are going to begin another lesson of your social science book, Lesson 16, Our National Days. Children, there are some days that are important for all Indians. The whole country celebrates these days. Such days are called national days. Let us discuss few of the national days of India. Independence Day. The British ruled over India for a long time. They left our country on 15th August 1947. After they left, we became independent and started running our country our way. That is why we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. The biggest celebration takes place in Delhi. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort and gives a speech to the people of the country. People all over the country fly the national flag and sing patriotic songs. Being patriotic means being proud of one's country. The patriotic song Sare Jahan Se Acha was written by the poet Muhammad Iqbal. It was set to music by the famous sitar player Pandit Ravi Shankar. Another national day is Republic Day. Our country is run by some rules. These rules are written down in a book called the Constitution. Or we can say Constitution is a book of rules under which our country runs. Our Constitution says that India is a republic. A republic is a country where the head of the government is elected or chosen by the people. We started using our Constitution on 26th January 1950. This is why we celebrate 26th January as our Republic Day. The Republic Day parade in Delhi is very colorful. People from all over the country take part in it. Children also take part. People who are well known for their work, musicians, writers, sportspersons, soldiers, and so on, are honored. On this day, brave children are also honored by the President of India. The next is Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, on 2nd October. Children, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was a lawyer to start with. Later, he united the people of India to fight against the British. He and his followers did not kill or hurt anybody. They fought peacefully by disobeying the British. This is why Gandhiji is admired by people all over the world. Gandhiji worked over the principles of Ahimsa and Satyagraha. Gandhiji is called Mahatma, the great soul, by the people for his goodness and braveness. He is also called the father of the nation. We remember this great leader on his birthday. People visit his Samadhi at Rajghat in Delhi and offer flowers and prayers. Children, a Samadhi or a memorial is something that built in memory of a person.